What did you guys think about Danny C30 cruising down? What is that, 85 to 85? I thought it looked really good. I want a better camera so I can record better footage for you guys. The audio, you can't really hear him because I had the camera just like handheld. I don't have my phone with me, but I was just holding the camera basically like this as much as I can out the freaking car so I can get the best angle that I can, so that gets you a great shot, but then it ruins your audio. Now today, the day just flew by. I woke up late, I slacked, and then my day flew by this afternoon because I had some family things to do, and no car video for you two guys. We're gonna update the studio. Nothing car related today because the sun's already out, so it'd be really hard to get some nice shots in there. But today we're just gonna work on the studio so we can start producing the episode about Vanessa and her story.
It's Chris.
Okay, so I sanded it down, I wet sanded it. I kept on spraying it with the gun because the water is supposed to ease the sanding, but I'm still gonna leave it out for the rest of the night, and then tomorrow morning hopefully we do a coat on this one and we do a coat on that one. Probably just a light one on this one and a heavy one on that one, and then for the rest of the night we're just gonna leave everything out here for it to dry. So let's clean up everything and let's go inside because I want to talk about the studio and the development that we're gonna do in there. Okay, so in today's episode I'm gonna be getting like rough ideas about what I want to do. I'm gonna be mocking up some curtains. I know these aren't curtains, just like a laundry sheet, but I'm gonna be mocking it up. I'm gonna be taping down the sets that I want to do, like this will be in one set and these two be in another two sets, and then I'm going to be just organizing things where they're supposed to go. So like desk things here, studio sets there, and this set things there essentially. Okay, so here's a very raw idea of what I want it to look like. I want the wooden desk, or the fake wood that I have outside, to go on top, underneath this glass top. That way it's nice and smooth. I want Alexa IKEA drawers on the left and the right as legs. And I'm thinking a black screen here, just to keep all the sunlight out, you know, keep it nice and dark in here. Always have those studio vibes. And as for this area, when the curtains go down for this, let me show you guys. So for this area right here, I want to buy a green fabric that was pretty much, somebody stole my measuring tape, but pretty much the same size as this, right? And I want to put it here because I eventually want to build a gaming PC and start a gaming channel, and it's something I've always wanted to do. I actually even have my Elgato over here. I have the first series and the second series. I got into it with Minecraft, and then I just started, you know, not uploading any gaming content because I needed a new computer in essence. But for right now, that's the idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taping things up. I want this to be like its own little entryway. This studio to be divided into two sets. This one being like gaming, and then that one being like talking to the camera. And then over here, I want this to be the interview section. So let me tape up. The reason why I want to tape up everything is because I want to figure out where I want the cameras to go, where I want the lighting to go, like where is it hitting my eyes the harshest, where is it giving a nice complimentary view to everything, and where I want the mics to go. So let's start taping things up and see how we want to mock everything up. Okay, as I was testing every like duct tape that I'm laying down. By the way, I got a cheeky little studio thing going here. I really like that. I like how that came out. I think I'm gonna do the same thing over here in green and call it the interview area. But what I do want to do is I want to make this wall, like this whole wall, the Polaroid wall. And if you don't know what I mean by that, let me show you. Ah, there it is. Hey Vanessa. Ah, we got another place for you, Vanessa. Vanessa pretty much helps me carry this channel and motivates me each and every day. So I want to make her the first one on the Polaroid wall. And the Polaroid wall is just essentially like memories. Every time somebody comes and we do an interview together, or we shoot a video together, or they come to my studio, which I really like how this came out. Studio. They come by, you know, we take a picture together and we essentially put it up here on the Polaroid wall. So let me go ahead and start with Vanessa, because Vanessa has been motivating me and helping me create content each and every day. So thank you, Vanessa. Okay, that's about all the energy that I have for today. I'm tired. Today's video, I know it was kind of cheeky. It was kind of like just an update vlog about the series and the studio that's coming along. I got a lot more done than I thought I would, but I know it wasn't a car video, and I know it wasn't the best it could be. Today I actually prioritized life over the vlog, and the vlog suffered because of that, but that's okay. It's totally okay. I used to like get really harsh on myself for not producing daily content to the best of my capabilities. Now I understand that it's just about producing daily content and keep getting better each and every day. So that's where I'm at right now. I know today's video was kind of small and cheeky. That is totally okay with me. I hope it's okay with you guys. It helped me develop different ideas, and it helped me move forward for tomorrow's episode and put everything in perspective. But yeah, I always feel like if you're a YouTube creator or if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, just create. Just go ahead and create what you want to create. Don't wait until like the newest car parts come out so you can buy them and put them on your car. Don't wait until like you have money to buy a better camera or better lighting or better microphone. Just start creating, and the ideas will flow as you're doing the activity and creating them. Essentially is what I'm trying to say. So today's video, I understand it was cheeky, it was small, it was just an update vlog, but hey, sometimes you need those. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm really sorry that it wasn't as good as the car videos, but they'll get better each and every day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.